Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you a glitch that I found. It's basically the old ass dissociation glitch where you can have a part of your you can have two parts like this and have connections between them. Normally that's not possible. I'll show you how you do it, and then I'll mess around with it a bit and see how it works. So this uses wedges, because wedges are a bit weird. Like, you can normally you can't just place you can just place one in the side of another. But if you do something like this, for example, you can do that. And you can also place blocks and joints like this on a half wedge. And so the glitch here, I did it with a piston. I'm guessing with any joint it can work. Basically, you do this. I'll have that with maybe a platform. Boop. I'll test it with this and that. And so now you're gonna want to have another block next to it, and like this, you weld it here. No, on the other side, please. Oh, it's still the wrong side. Like this. Boom. It's pretty inconsistent. Do you have to do it on the lift? I think you have to do it on the lift. I'll just do that again. So yeah, this was fucked already. I found this this glitch when I was trying to make a suspension glitch that can be turned on and off, and I was trying to make blocks act like they're welded together using very solid joints using wedges, and I found I found it accidentally. That's pretty much it. So now the other part, boom. Take this off the lift this, and then weld. Oh. And then weld this. The fuck? Right. So now, yes. As you can see, completely separate. And yeah, I can turn it on and off. I'll just do it again real quick. Boom. Boom. Pop. Block here. This one goes there. No, from the block. Yeah. This one goes here. Bam. Bind these two. And up. It's still connected. So yeah, it's a glitch that already existed in old versions of Scrap Mechanic, but it was fixed a long time ago, and I don't think anyone else has discovered it. It's much easier to do now in creative with wedges and physics updates, since you got wedges for everything. Before that, we only had this one, and I'm guessing it works with this one, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, you can do the same thing, basically. You place one here, boom, and it's the setup, basically. My guess is that a joint like a piston or a suspension doesn't really like having two blocks welded to it at once. It can only handle one, being on its specific block. So when you weld the second one to it, it removes the first, because it only has one slot, but it's still considered part of the whole thing. You can lift it. It does work. If you lift this one, it lifts everything, and if you lift the other, it only lifts what the fuck? Oh yeah, this one. Yeah, it's weird. You can lift it, but you can't save it. It's gonna say a joint error or something. And then I try. Boom. Never mind. Really? Wait, yeah. I have to lift this one, maybe? No. The fuck? It worked differently on my other save. When I did this, basically it lifted this and this, and I could save it and place it. No, I could save it, but I couldn't place it like it would here, because it would say the connections were corrupted or something. Yeah, so I'll make a vehicle with this now. I'm guessing you can't remove this. See if I yeah, and then boom. Yeah. So this the wedge that falls off is really the thing that ties the two parts together. So you can't remove it. You gotta pay attention to that. I'll also try and see if it works with the suspension. So we got this with that. Let's say this is like the front of a car. Boom. And it goes like this. And like, I know we can do it. Yeah, that's another glitch I discovered. You can place stuff below the block that's tied to a joint. I'll show you after that. Yeah. Oh, fuck up. Ah, please. Thank you. So it's basically like this. Then you got the other one. Watch this be the wrong side. Boop. It's the wrong side. So as I was saying, boom, bam, see if it works. It works. It has to be on the left, as you guys may have seen. Get back here. Hold up, I can just lift this. Yeah. Boom. That's easier. Yeah, I'm gonna make a car with this. Driver's seat here. The problem is I can't really lift this, just lift the other thing. I'll find a way around it, like this maybe. Yeah, and then I flip it and I can place wheels. Really basic shit. It's gonna be a fuck-ass car. It's just for demonstration purposes. Like boom, boom. Wheels. Bam. Bam. Yeah. Boop. Is this right? I think so. I don't know. Bam. I'll check. It's not right. It's completely wrong. The motor. Yeah. That. Oh, it's white, I guess. Boom. Bam. As always, I forget. And yeah, I can play around with it. It's like a radio controlled car thingy. I guess that opens up a lot of possibilities. And yeah, that's it pretty much. If you use this glitch in video or something, feel free to maybe give me a shout out, I don't know. And also like and subscribe. Ready?